Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Project 914. This car here is a Porsche 914. The Porsche 914 was made from 1970 to 1976. They only made about 115,000 of these. They're not very popular. They were called the poor man's Porsche. And so we have taken this one apart. These cars, they rusted literally on the showroom floor. So a lot of them are scrapped, and there's stories about some of them rusting and breaking in two because they don't have a roof, they just have the floor. If the floor rusts, then they fall apart. This car here, it's had a Chalon kit put on. We're doing some body work. We got the windshield out, we got most of the interior out. A lot of the interior is sent away. And we've done all of the mechanical stuff, the brakes and shocks, and we have all of the parts and pieces for the trim and stuff is all laying in the trunk, and we have all of our parts and things, and we're going to get it all back together. These cars most of them came with a 4-cylinder, and right now this one here has a little 4-cylinder in there. It's like 1700 cc's, 5-speed transmission. And we're going to be changing that. And if you follow me over here, we're going to install a V8. This here is a Chevy 350, and it's going to go in the back of this thing, and it's going to be an incredible car. So stay tuned, and we're going to Project 914. We're going to get it going, and we're going to walk you through all of the steps that we're going to do to get this car back on the road, and then we're going to enjoy it. Stay around.